Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 18 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can use dark mode in MS Word. Dark mode puts less strain in your eyes when you are working in the night. So, to enable dark mode, go to File, and then Accounts, and then select the required theme. Whatever theme you select gets applied to all the MS products. Just go back to the document and the theme will be saved. As you can see, although theme is changed, but the page color is still white. To change the page color, just go to Design and change the page color here. Word identifies that you are using dark mode. Hence, when you print this page, the page is turned to white. So, this is how you can use dark mode in Word. Thank you, hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.